Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your history on Google Chrome. So once you're in Google Chrome, click the three dots on the upper right and go to history, then click on history at the top. Now here you'll find your browsing history, right? But in order to delete them, you can do it a single way by clicking the three dots towards the right, and here you can say remove from history. However, you don't want to do that if you want to delete more stuff, because that's going to take you a long time. So on the left hand side, click delete browsing data, and it's going to take you over to where you can quickly delete your browsing history. So you can go ahead and just uncheck these options here because you may not want to delete cookies. It's up to you if you want to keep them. But if you just want to focus on the browsing history, uncheck those and you can select if you want to do it for all time, 4 weeks, 7 days, 24 hours, or even the last hour. It's really up to you. Another way how you can approach this is to go to advanced, and in the advanced you can even delete your download history. So you can choose if you want to uncheck these and select these, or just the browsing history again, and just set the time that you want. And then once you do that, you can just simply hit delete data, and that's all that you have to do, guys.